Can modular offices be customized? Yes, all of our products are fully customizable with different options for wall materials, window placements, electrical packages, and more.
Are modular offices suitable for warehouse environments? Absolutely. Our modular offices are designed to withstand industrial environments while providing a quiet workplace for our customers.
Do you offer fire-rated building implant options? Yes, we provide modular office systems with non-combustible and 1-hour fire code ratings to meet all specific building codes.
How quickly can an implant office be installed? Our implant offices are pre-engineered for fast, efficient installation, reducing downtime on site.
Call us today or visit us online for your free quote.